This is video 104, which is the last of a three-part series titled The Basics. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the common buttons up on the main menu. Let's start with the Find Address button. Use this button to find an address or place name on your map. You can use this to locate any address, a city, a county, or pretty much anywhere in the world. Next, let's look at the Measure tools. I click Measure and you can see I have the option of measuring distances or areas. Let's zoom in down here. Let's ask ourselves, how far would it be to rerun this sewer line through this path? I trace my path. I can choose my units. I'm going to do this in feet, and I say done, and it labels that distance. You can measure other distances on the screen. For example, how far is this existing run? You can also measure areas. Let me zoom out here. Let's come down here to this treatment pond. How big is this treatment pond? I click the measure area. I trace the perimeter. I can choose this in acres, hectares, square feet. Let's do acres. Done. There's the size of my pond. All these measurements stay on the map as you zoom and pan around until you click the clear button. Another tool for marking on the map is the coordinates tool. Let's zoom back into our area where we're thinking of running a new sewer line, and let's just mark some elevations. I'm just throwing a few points out here just so we can get a feel of what the elevation is along this path. Now, these elevations come from Google services, and they're a non-authoritative source. What that means is Google gets this data from a wide variety of sources such as the USGS and even state data such as LiDAR, but there's nothing published as to its source or its accuracy, so you really should only use this as a reference purpose. You also have the ability here to label coordinates, latitude and longitude coordinates of a point, and just like with the measures, you can click clear to remove all these from the map. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is the print button. I measured my distance again and put some elevations back on the map to demonstrate printing. When you click print, it just generates a single picture that's easier to print than printing directly from your browser. I'm going to cancel this, and when you're done printing, just click return to the map. So in these three videos, we covered just the basic tools. There's a lot of other tools that you'll find useful, so watch more videos after this.